right, now I'm gonna use this. This is the Still's 3-in-1 or whatever you wanna call it. It makes it a lot easier to do this stuff. So you grab this, make sure you got it right. Yep, got this. Yep, that's what it looks like. All right, and you put this in, find the one, and it even gives you an arrow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It might not be perfect, but whatever. 1, 2, 3. And I got it marked with a black marker, so I know which one to do. That's not correct. That's not, oh, that's the chain. All right. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. And you gotta make sure you stay perpendicular, flat. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And this is the one I marked, so I know this is the one we started with. 2, 3. Now, flip it over. You can move this thing over, whatever you want to do. I'm not. I'm just going to go from here. And we're going to go back this way. This is the black one, so we know we're going to start with this right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and it keeps it angled, so you know what angle you got to be at. 1, 2, 3. Got to keep it sharp, that way if my neighbor, that it's his, so if he comes over to get it, it's ready and it's sharp for him. But I keep it outside in the shed for him, so he can just go out in the shed and grab it. He does that for me with all his stuff. Just got to drive over there and grab whatever I need. 2. My old neighbor from Buckeye. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that's it, because there's the one I painted, and I started with this one, but I'll redo it just in case. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Done.